Welcome to English 317. I'm Neil Davidson, an instructor in the English department, and in this video I'll show you how our course is set up and how to work with the course materials provided on Canvas. The course has this orientation module that you are currently in and 5 project modules. Each module has a project page identified by week numbers and days for the project. The project pages contain all the materials you will need to study and apply to complete each project. The submission Dropbox can be accessed from the modules and also from a project page by scrolling to the bottom and clicking on the next button. All of these project pages are set up the same, so let's just look at project number 1. If you click on a link to a file, it will open up for inline viewing. If you click that arrow next to it, the file link will download as a PDF. Each project starts with a schedule that lists the work you need to complete for each week, and after the schedule are the project handouts, followed by slide doc lectures. These slide docs have no audio and are meant to be read rather than viewed. After the slide docs, we'll find the peer review forums. For each multimedia deliverable, the project page provides options for how to create it, speaking style resources, followed by troubleshooting steps, and ending with examples of projects by former students. And that's all you'll need to know about working with course materials. If at any point you have questions or need help, please let me know.